When you step inside the Hills Salon and Spa, you're treated like family as your beauty advisors help you reach your beauty goals from head to toe. Owner April Martinez explains.
The Hills Salon and Spa is a beautiful location that offers a client an ability to come in, let your worries go, and really treat any area of your body, whether that's makeup, hair, nails. We really cover everything from lashes, massages, facial scrubs. Once you enter our beauty lounge, you can really let go of everything from the day and focus on you.
And part of that focus is on helping you look and feel your best, from your hair to your fingertips and your entire body. The Hills offers everything including massage and body scrubs to nail services and body sculpting.
I am passionate about our clients really getting the look and the experience that fits their lifestyle. Meaning, if you're a stay-at-home mom versus a traveling business executive, you're going to have different needs, but that doesn't take away your individualism and who you might be. So we do a whole program where a beauty advisor will sit with you and go through all of that so that we can determine all of the right beauty needs for you and then take care of them all under one roof.
One of their newest features is Beauty Revive, a new technology that can sculpt and tighten any area of the body.
Body Revive is exciting. It's a technology that encompasses high-frequency microcurrent and heat. It utilizes this to drain fat and shrink and tighten your skin, and it gets you dramatic results in one session. This is good for really anybody who's got any kind of creping, sagging skin, wrinkles, tightening that they'd like to accomplish. Someone that maybe has lost a little weight and really wants to take care of some of those problem areas, and also for people that have fat loss needs. So maybe you've got a little bit of an extra spare tire, you've got a little bit of cellulite, we take care of all of that. We like to say that we're about 5 generations ahead of all other modalities out there. And one of the reasons for that is because we get you results immediately. In addition to that, we're shrinking and tightening skin. No one else out there is doing that. So when a woman comes in and she's got that creping or that sagging in the back of the arm, we can tighten that skin. So a lot of times when people go through weight loss, they not only have some stubborn fat spots, they've got extra skin. And we're going to help you address both those concerns in one treatment.
It can also be used on the lips.
In our lip plumping, we get you a natural pout, about a 20% volume increase, and it's lasting. It's anywhere from 1 to 2 years that the results will last. In the process of treating the body, you'll definitely feel somewhere similar to a hot stone massage, perhaps a little bit more intense. And then when we're treating the face, neck, lips, areas like that, it'll be more warm.
At the Hills Salon and Spa, it's all about you.
We can get you ready for your night out from beginning to end.
The Hills Salon and Spa has a special offer for Your Life Arizona viewers. The first 10 callers will get 25% off 2 Body Revive treatment package and half off any color service. For more information, visit thehillsexperience.com or call the number on your screen.